So on this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can buy your domain and hosting with this platform that I'm going to show you on this video. So the first thing that you need to do is to click on the first link below this video that you are watching. So once you click on the first link here, it's going to bring you to this platform that you can see on the screen here. So what you need to do is to put it on the language that you are speaking. Right now is in French. So you can click here and you can go and select the language that you are speaking. You can see I just translated it to put it in a language which is in English. So as you can see, it's letting us to know that we are going to get like 75% off. And if we take a deals of this summer sales, we are going to get about 80% discount. So I'm just going to leave everything just the way it is. So what you can do is to scroll down here. I will show you the three plans that they have. So they have the premium plan and they have this special offer plan, which they are letting us to know that we have unlimited domain and unlimited mailbox and AI tools and priority support for maximum flexibility, which means that you can, if you have any problem on your website, you will get support instantly whenever you ask for their support team. Like if you're having a problem with your website, they will immediately reply you when you pick this plan. It's the plan that I am recommending. So if you want to pick any plan, you should pick this unlimited plan, which is this special offer. On this special offer, they are still letting us know that we have 80% off from this plan that we are trying to pick. You can see the official price is $18.99, but they are letting us to know that the reduction have come down to $3.79. So that is what they are letting us to know that we are going to pay for if we get this. So those are the things that you will get. So I will just list some of them. Unlimited website, domain free for 1 year, 50 GB space, which is storage, daily backup, easy and data restore, CND including an integration, e-commerce, AI tools, and priority 24-hour support, expert support. So, and a lot of other things, WordPress, Node, and a lot of other things that you will get inside this package. So that is why I recommend you to pick this unlimited plan. Unlimited website is very, very good. So you can see this premium plan, you'll get 3 websites, and they have a custom one, which is, you can see, $7, but the one I recommend is this unlimited one. So once you are here, you can see that they give you a section here for you to be able to select the month that you want to pay for. So you can click here. If I click on 1 month, it will be showing $18. If I click on 12 months, it will be showing in $3. 24 months, which is 2 years, is to be showing in $3.79. Just the same with 48 months. So it's letting us to know that 48 months is the best price for us, but I'm not going to pick that. I'm going to pick 12 months. So I'm going to click here, select 12 months. And as you can see, it's letting us to know that we are paying $4. But what I can do is to leave it as 48 months at the moment. Then I will click on this section where it said choose plan. So once I click on that, it's going to take us to the section that you can see on the screen here. Now it might be translated to French, but you can just put it back in English if you want. But I'm going to leave everything just the way it is now. So here I'm going to select 12 months. So once I click on 12 months, you can see that here the price did not go back to the $4 something when we click it on the particular page there. Let me show you what I'm telling you. You can see here it shows $3.99. If I go back again, like the primary page we were, like here, if I click on it, like the 12 months, you can see it's showing us $4.99 here. That is why I said you should follow the step-by-step guide of what I'm showing you, so that you will not go and spend a lot of money while you are buying your hosting and your domain for your website. So once I click on choose price here, before you click on it, don't forget, click on 48 months, just leave it just the way it is, and click on choose plan. And it's going to bring you back to this same page. So I'm just trying to show you how you can get a very good reduction amount. So what you can do here now is to click on this section and click on the 12 months. As you can see, it's still showing us that we are only paying $3.99. But in the other page, it's letting us know that we are paying $4.99. You can see the differences. So we have about reduction of about $1 plus. So once you have selected the month that you want, which is 12 months, and you can see the amount of money you are paying per month, what you need to do now is to get a domain. This package we are picking now is the hosting. This is what is going to keep your website online. Whenever people search for your name, it's going to show this is what is going to be helping your website to be distributing to people whenever they search for it on Google. So that is what I'm just trying to let you know here. So how to pick a domain for your website? You need to come down here, see the section where it says search for domain. Here you are just going to enter your website name. So I'm just going to enter the name of the website that you want to use. And as you can see, I said this website is Get Nkem Love. This is our online dating platform. So I will click on Get, and it's now integrating. So it's going to be synced to this my hosting. And as you can see right now, it's letting me to know that I am paying this amount for my domain, but it's letting me know that I'm going to pay $16 for 2 years, but I'm not going to pay any money for the first year if I'm getting hosting from them, which is this $3.99 I'm paying. So I'm going to per month. I'm going to now come here and select 1 year. So by selecting 1 year, this is going to help me to get a full 1 year for free domain. So I'm getting full 1 year free domain, and that is all I just need to do. So once I'm done here, I just need to scroll down. You don't need to do any other thing. I hope you are following the instruction of what I'm saying. If you are following it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, with everything that we have just done here, you can see that the price, when I put like a 2 years, $299.11, but now we have come down to $78 by just following this instruction of what I'm showing you here. And if I come here now again, I click on 1 year, it's going to come down to $57. So that is why I say you should follow everything that I showed you on this video. So with this strategy, you'll be able to now get just $57 and for 1 year. So for 1 year, you will not pay any money. And after 1 year, you now start back paying this $57, and maybe you will get better discount whenever you want to purchase your hosting again. So for paying for your monthly recurring domain plan. So that is it. So the next thing I need to do now is to click on the section where it said continue. So once I click on continue now, it's taking me to the section where I'll be able to pay. And as you can see, it have bring us here. So what I need to do now is to enter my address here. So you need to enter your own address. So once you are done with your address, you need to enter your payment method. So what I need to do now, I will enter my payment method. So as you can see, guys, I have entered my payment method. So the next thing I need to do now is to make the payment. So now I have clicked on pay. So it's loading up and it's going to notify me on my smartphone telling me to verify this transaction. So what I need to do now is to verify the transaction from my smartphone. So I will just go to my smartphone. So you are going to see this message, and this is to let you know that you have just bought your hosting and your domain from Hostinga and your website is ready. So the next thing you need to do now is to go and create your website, design it the way you want your website to look like. So when I close this page and I click on leave this window, it's going to bring you to this dashboard here. And what you just need to do is to now go to domain, and once you go to domain, you are going to find your domain here. Right now, Hostinga is setting up your domain. What you just need to do is to just patient in some minutes, and your hosting and your domain will be set within 24 hours. And once it's set, you will come back here and you can now create your website either with for example, WordPress, or you can design it through your Hostinga platform. So that is how you can buy your hosting and your domain with Hostinga. I will say thank you very much. Don't forget to use my link in the description to use this platform, which is called Hostinga, to create your own website for 100% free. And if you want to learn how you can create your website with Hostinga or with WordPress, you can just leave me the comment in the comment section and I will show you step by step too. I will send you a tutorial on how you can create your website with WordPress through Hostinga. I will say thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate marketing, you can click on the link in the description of this video, or that is popping up on the screen here. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you on my next upcoming video.